Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Agrahari, and you all guys are listening me on Unacademy online platform. As you know guys, environment is the main concern for all of the world nations, and of course India is also working a lot in this aspect. Aadhaar is a very important topic and time to time. It's not a new topic, but it's evergreen topic. Every year in the March month, Aadhaar based article in the newspaper published. The reason I'll explain with you guys. This topic is connecting with the environment, and you all guys know very well regarding the environment and science and technology based all updates. Those are important for the civil service examination with all current affairs. I made YouTube videos for all of you on this platform. There's a lesson number 50, and this topic is connected with the environment. What are these topics and all? Every discussion I'll do. But one thing I'll tell you guys, UPSC made a questions from the Aadhaar also in the past. This topic is not only important for the UPSC, but of other civil services and other examinations. So let us start. Before going to start the lesson, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I have done my PhD from IIT Delhi. I'm a director of Purvanchal IS at Gorakhpur, where I'm providing with the face-to-face classes with all the Delhi-based facilities. I'm taking your classes of science, tech, and environment. From last 18 years, I'm taking classes for civil service examinations. 1,000 plus selection already happened in these exams. Two of my book in these two subjects of science and tech and environment published on the McGraw-Hill platforms. Those are highly recommended book by all the toppers and institutions for all of you. This is my Telegram channel, t.me/Ravi UPSC and the score Unacademy. Here you can find out all the entire PDF, plus a part of it. I also share all the video links. So it's a one-stop solution for all of you. If you want to connect with me, so it's a platforms, and a part of it from on this Unacademy platform where I am taking my all the live sessions. This is the link guys, unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my all the entire plus and iconic subscription courses, a part of lot of free special classes. On the free special classes, biology classes are available here. I'll recommend to all of you. If you are a serious aspirant for CDS, NDA, UPSC, CSE, state pieces, all. So this is a single solution where you can find out a lot of the other subjects based courses that is freely available for all of you. My code is Ravi UPSC. If you are going for civil services courses, if you want to join it, you are interested, so kindly use Ravi UPSC code. You will get extra 10% fees rebate. India's best educators for UPSC, CSE, they all are available on Unacademy, and they are taking the live sessions. So you have a great opportunity to connect with all experienced faculties for UPSC, CSE examination on Unacademy. So stay tuned with all the experienced faculties of civil service examinations and the live sessions on Unacademy platform. Now the price is going to hike soon, and here with the help of a Ravi UPSC code you can get 10% extra discount during joining any courses. So kindly use the Ravi UPSC and enjoy 10% discount. It's a great initiatives by the Unacademy, and sure the name of CSE Assure, where if you are going to purchase the courses of 2 years and above subscriptions, so get CSE Assure option Unacademy is giving you. If you are further going to prepare, if any hurdle you have, so Unacademy will provide you the courses free of cost to all of you. So it's a kind of help, but it is only for a limited period. And during joining these courses, Ravi UPSC code can't use it. And one thing more as message to all of you, now this price for 2020-23 is going to hike. So before hike it, I recommend to all of you kindly use it, code and join it. Now get prelims practice booklets with every icon is subscriptions, and it's only for the limited period of time. 10 printed booklets of UPSC CSE Preparations Unacademy is providing you. It's good for your practice. Unacademy Ultra Combat, the next is on 22nd May 2022 at 11 am. Here for top 3 rankers you will get a lot of rewards. It's a live test, and definitely guys it's a kind of fun where you can see your studies level, that where you stand, and here it's a live test guys, so don't miss it. So kindly join this test and enjoy this. Unacademy All India Prelims Mock Test is going to organize on 22nd May 2022. Now this test is a physical test. Here you will enjoy that before going to give a final examination on 5th June. You will have options to feel and give the examinations as a kind of practice for all of you. So this opportunity Unacademy is also giving you. And during joining these courses, Ravi UPSC is a code, kindly use it. This Mock test is going to organize in Delhi, NCR, Prayagraj, Jaipur, Pune, Hyderabad. If you are in these areas, so you can come and join us and take these benefits. So finally, we are coming here into the environment-based topic, that is the Earth hour. So this topic is the Earth. In this year, 22nd March 2022, even in every March on last Saturday, remember, every March on last Saturday, okay, there is an article in the newspaper. So again in this March, Saturday was on 26th. So that's why the date is on 26th March, 8:30 to 9:30. Somewhere you can find out 8 to 9 also. Every other last Saturday in the March, here the worldwide, not only India, the worldwide, people do the celebration of Earth hour. What is actually under the Earth hour, guys? The unwanted lights. They are doing the switch off. Unwanted light, why I'm telling you guys, suppose somewhere have a hospital and some operation is going on, so it's a wanted light. Here is no restrictions, guys. And here the people are not going to force you. Okay, you must have to be switch off. But it's a symbolic presentation. Okay, and through the help of symbolic, presentation, what you are doing, you are going to show just to support for the conservation of energy. The reason the source of energy is what? Burning of coal. The main source of energy in the worldwide is what? Is the burning of coal. And definitely through the help of the symbolic presentation for the 1 hour, at least you are showing like you want to save the earth. Because the main source of global warming, environmental pollution is the burning of coal. And somehow if you are going to save the energy, so you are going to think about the earth and its safety. One confusion that I have seen in the student mind, that's why I brought as a separate point, Earth hour and Earth Day, both are totally different. Earth Day is actually we are celebrating on 22nd April. And here the date even change. The reason last Saturday in the March, on which date will come, on that basis Earth hour was celebrated. Don't be confused with the Earth hour and the Earth Day, both are totally different, guys. Earth hour, who brought? So behind Earth hour, even WWF walked. So WWF started this movement, organized. Okay, so Earth hour is worldwide movement organized by World Wildlife Fund. It held annually on the last Saturday of March. And see, again I'm telling you, non-essential electric lights turn off for 1 hour, 8 to 9 p.m. Don't be confused with the 8:30 to 9:30, 8 to 9. Better you people remember 8 to 9 always. And see, again I'm telling you, it's a symbol of commitment to the safety of planets through the help of conservation of electricity. What about the Earth hour's mission, guys? See, actually with time, in the last 50 years, we have done totally exploitation of the natural resources for our own benefits. So somehow in the human history, those whatever the 50 years, okay, we have done the global losses of nature. Somehow in this mission, we are giving a symbolic presentation that we are going to think about the nature and earth. Here in these cases, guys, it's initiatives so that we are going to conserve about the food, water, clean air, and other services. Even Earth hour aims to increase the awareness. The main purpose to awareness. Here we are not going to force anyone. And here in these cases, the global conservation, protecting nature, these all options are coming there, guys. And those climate crises are going to be happen. We are trying to solve it. And finally, we'll try to save the earth for the brighter future. This Earth hour initiatives started from Sydney in 2007. Here this light off event firstly celebrated in 2007, and later on it got popular worldwide. And Earth hour is an initiative to encourage the any individuals, businesses, the governments. They even started this type of project. India also accepted it, but India not started from 7 on. India accepted later on, and the purpose is here the government, individuals, businesses, everybody, they were accountable for the ecological footprint, to reduce the global warming, to save the environments, to save the climates. For that purpose, this initiative brought worldwide. India also accepted. Actually, again, I'm telling you guys, it is a kind of symbolization. It's not force, it's a symbolizes. Here for the 1 hour, whatever we are doing. And see one thing more, guys. Here, it is not going to claim that you must be very clear. You are must to have a reduction of energy and carbon reduction exercise. No. Here we are not going to force to anyone. Okay. And here even we are also not going to engage into the measurement of energy or carbon reductions. Okay. Because here we are not forcing. Here just a kind of messaging. Here we just want to show like we all the world nations. We are thinking. We are sensitive for the environment also. You must be clear, guys. What about the significance of this movement? Of course, one of the world's largest grassroots movement of the environment, that is, here 190 plus countries, they accepted it and they're following it for the brighter future of people and the planets. Even one more initiative that is very interesting, 88888, 5 times 8, lights out. It's also a campaign, guys, and this campaign was brought in India actually by a NGO. The name of NGO is Exnora International. I can repeat, this campaign was started by Exnora International, an NGO, in 2008, and the day was decided like 8th August 2008. 8th August means 8th on day, 8th on month, and 8th on year. I hope you understood the 3-8 means what? 8th August 2008. At 8 p.m. for 8 minutes. So I hope the meaning of 5-8 you people understood. When this 5-8 lights out was a campaign, is a goal of increasing the awareness for the global warming and promoting the actions to reduce the energy consumptions. Okay, the purpose definitely, guys, to turn to the lights and reduce the pollution of the globes. The same thing somehow as Earth Hour event brought, similar type of campaign India also brought, but here India in this NGO brought it. So that may be also a question in your paper, as it is very interesting. Those happen in India, so that you must be know also. What actually WWF is? WWF for nature. The new name of the WWF is WWF for nature, World Wide Fund for Nature. Earlier the name was a World Wildlife Fund, but the new name has been changed. Earlier the name was World Wildlife Fund. Okay, its headquarters is in Plant, Switzerland. It's an international NGO, you must be know. Once UPSC also make a question in WWF around 2016-17. Okay, the purpose of WWF for the nature is what? Preservation of wilderness, the wild animals and plants we must have to save. And the purpose is the reduction of the human impact on the environment. Okay, so definitely whatever the human is creating the problem to the environment, we must have to reduce them. This is the purpose of the WWF for the nature. What about the aim of WWF? You can see on the screen, guys. Stop the degradation of planets, natural environment, and to build a future in which human lives in the harmony with the nature. WWF has launched several notable worldwide campaigns like Earth Hour that I brought here as a PPT for all of you. And a part of this, guys, Depth for the Nature Swap was also a campaign on WWF. So 1-2 type of option if coming to you must be know about Depth for the Nature Swap also. And you know, guys, WWF is working in 6 areas. The areas are 1, the food, the second is on climate, third is on fresh water, fourth is wildlife, fifth is on forest, and 6 is on oceans. So these are the 6 areas that the WWF is working now. So it's overall, guys, and I'll suggest to all of you, don't need to go and write it everything, because I already have made a PPT for all of you to the points which are necessary, even important for examination. Save this PDF directly and save your time. So here you can find out this PDF from this Telegram channel that I spoken you. And again, I repeat with all of you guys, for the video links, you can people connect with me on Telegram channel. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my all the plus classes, a part of many special classes. The special classes are free for all of you. Ravi P is the code. During joining any course, if you use it, you will get extra 10% fees discount. Unacademy Subscription is the best that Unacademy is providing you. So Unacademy is providing Unacademy Subscription. This is the best for all of you. The reason is why. Here you will get the benefit to connect with the mentorships, question answer practices, you will get it, study planning, what to do, how to do, open house with the educators, you will get the opportunity to connect with them. So live sessions regarding your doubt, a tutor will help you every moment of time. Unacademy is providing you the plus Unacademy subscription. The fees you can find out here. What about the fees and charges? Not only for the general studies, but again I repeat, guys, Unacademy subscription is the best. So not only for general studies, even for the optional courses if you are interested. So Ravi UPSC is the code. If you use the Ravi UPSC for any courses, again I repeat, this is the code that you will apply. So 10% extra discount you will receive. Unacademy is providing you a 0% EMI benefits to all of you, and definitely it's good for all of you. The reason here Unacademy is providing the loan facility. If you guys have any financial crunch, so you will get the benefit from this. Regarding any doubts, Unacademies are providing you the various mentors in the various subjects. It's an initiative from the Unacademy. So time to time Unacademy try to bring a lot of things, the new, and try to help you a lot here. UPSC CSE batches, the next batch is going to start from 25th May 2022. So before going to hike of fees, I'll suggest to all of you kindly join this course as soon as possible. This is a course valid for 23 and 24. Many options of the courses, Hindi, English, bilingual. Every courses are available for all of you. Unacademy is even launching an optional carnival for all of you. 14 plus optional courses are available and they're going to start from the 5th June onwards. You know, the optional courses are more important for all of you, and the students, those are getting a rank in the civil service examination, they are scoring more in the optional courses. Why Unacademy? So you can find out we are providing the best educators, flexibility to change the optional subjects, flexible hours of learning, offline centers with the major hubs. Okay, that we are also providing you some outlets, dedicated doubt solving sessions, best in the class learner ratings. We are providing you the comprehensive notes, even 20 booklets that I told you guys we are providing you, and we are helping you till your final selections, even till your interview guidance programs, live mentorships, and daily answer writing sessions. Unacademy is also providing you. So Unacademy is giving you all everything, even at integrated approach. Science, technology, and environment courses are running now, and this is a very important topic for all of you. 30 plus question every year is coming from it, and all the courses of my classes are available in the plus courses. Ravi P is the code, kindly use it. And at last, I'll suggest to all of you guys, kindly subscribe the channels, like and share this video, and download this PDF from a Telegram channel. So thank you everyone. God bless you. Meet you soon in the next class with some new energy and with some new hope, with some new other topics. God bless you. Jai Hind.